Today, the angels bring an extremely important message directly to you about someone who holds a constant place in your thoughts and emotions. This person holds a fundamental revelation that has been kept secret for some time. They need you to understand the depth of the gap left by your absence, how their life seems to lose alignment without you around. Nothing flows or happens as expected in your absence. This person, whose thoughts and feelings are intertwined with yours, firmly believes that you were made for each other, that you are the manifestation of their true love. However, this belief has remained hidden, kept as a precious secret. The reason for this is the ongoing struggle they face in trying to express their deepest emotions and feelings sincerely. They see you as the ideal partner, the person who complements their existence, but scars from past traumas and personal challenges have made them withdraw, creating a barrier to protect themselves from the outside world. This emotional shield they have built around themselves is the result of an intense fear of reliving past pains. They fear that by fully opening up, they might again find themselves vulnerable to emotional wounds, which makes them hesitate to fully share the intensity of their feelings for you. Uncertainty about the future, concerns about potential difficulties, and the possibility of facing seemingly insurmountable challenges continuously haunt them. This fear not only holds them back, but also creates a cloud of doubt that obscures the full potential of a shared life. Despite these internal barriers, there is a powerful force within them that struggles to emerge, to break the bonds of insecurity, and truly reveal itself to you. This energy, fueled by a deep and genuine affection for you, strives to overcome the past and connect with a promising future you both could have. When they look into your eyes, they don't just see the person they love, they see their own soul reflected back. It's a profound and undeniable connection, a true communion of spirits that transcends words, resonating with a harmony they rarely experience. This internal struggle, this conflict between the fear of the past and the desire for the future, defines the current state of their heart. They are on a personal journey, trying to reconcile their desire for love and intimacy with the fear of new pains. Each day is a step towards the potential of fully opening their heart to you, abandoning the armor they have built around themselves and surrendering to the vulnerability that true love requires. Beyond a deep emotional connection, they feel an undeniable and intense physical attraction to you. This attraction manifests as a burning desire for intimacy, an intense aspiration to be close, to share moments not just emotionally, but also physically. However, a barrier stands between desire and action: fear. This fear is not just a fleeting hesitation. It is a constant presence that acts like a dense veil, obscuring and distorting the clarity of their feelings. They find themselves struggling against this veil, trying to find a way to express their true feelings, but often feel impeded, as if paralyzed by the uncertainty and worry of how their emotions might be received. Despite these challenges, it is crucial to recognize their determination to overcome these obstacles. They have concrete plans to open up to you within the next 6 months. This is not a vague or indefinite plan. It is marked by a firm commitment to make a significant change in the way they relate to you. The exact timing of this revelation may vary. It could be today, tomorrow, next week, or perhaps next month, depending on how circumstances unfold. What matters is that they are committed to this journey of self-expression and preparation to be emotionally and physically available in a way they have never been before. What you can expect with certainty is that, within the stipulated period of 6 months, there will be a transformation in the dynamic between you two. You will have a clearer and more precise understanding of where you both stand in relation to each other. This change will not be subtle. It will be evident and striking, reflecting a new level of openness and vulnerability on their part. They are aware that this step is essential not just for the growth of the relationship, but also for their personal development. They understand that the path ahead may be challenging, and that moments of doubt and hesitation may arise as they struggle to lift the veil that has kept their true feelings hidden. However, their determination to face these fears and move towards a more intimate and authentic relationship is strong. They want to build a foundation of trust and transparency with you, wishing for both of you to share not just joys and successes, but also vulnerabilities and fears. This person, whose thoughts and feelings have been consumed by the idea of a shared life with you, is deeply involved in reflections about what the future could bring for both of you. The prospect of a future together is both terrifying and enchanting for them. There is an undeniable appeal to the idea of sharing days, intertwining dreams and reality side by side, but there is also hesitation, a fear born of past experiences that did not end well. They are haunted by the concern that history might repeat itself, that complications might arise again and impede the flow of this much-desired union. However, what dominates their thoughts more than anything is the fear of loneliness. The idea of being alone, of not having someone to share the highs and lows of life, weighs more on their heart than the fear of the unknown. This fear of a solitary existence is more powerful than any uncertainty about what a relationship with you could imply. It is this need for connection, intimacy, and partnership that is driving them to consider a significant change in the way they relate to you. Therefore, in the coming months, be prepared for a remarkable leap of faith on their part. They are preparing to take a decisive step towards you, a gesture of openness and honesty that they hope will strengthen the bonds between you. They want to be fully transparent with you, expressing their deepest feelings and vulnerabilities in the hope that this will establish a solid foundation for a future together. They not only want but need to take this step to avoid the fate of a life of isolation that they fear so much. They are, therefore, willing to take risks, to let go of old fears in favor of an opportunity to make things right this time. An offer is being formulated, a sincere proposal they plan to present that has the potential to significantly alter the course of both your lives. This offer is not a mere formality. It is an invitation to embark on a shared journey, a mutual commitment to build a future where you both are partners and confidants. Be open and receptive to this new phase that is about to begin. The person we are talking about is currently immersed in an intense journey of introspection and deep reflection. They are fully dedicated to the process of carefully considering how to make a very significant offer to you. They are involved in a meticulous evaluation of every aspect of this proposal, from the wording to the approach to the situation, with a keen eye on all the details involved. This meticulousness demonstrates how crucial they consider this next step, and their determination to execute it correctly reflects the importance you hold for them and the value they place on your relationship. They are fully aware that every detail matters and that precision in their actions can define the future for both of you. This is not just a romantic gesture. It is a declaration of intentions that they intend to make with total clarity and sincerity. They want this offer not only to meet expectations, but also to open new possibilities for your relationship. For them, it is essential that everything is planned and executed to perfection, because they understand that the impact of this moment can be transformative. However, it is crucial to understand that the process of preparing for such a significant step involves time and deep self-evaluation. Currently, they do not feel completely ready to move forward. This does not indicate a lack of desire or hesitation due to a lack of interest. On the contrary, they are consciously investing their time and energy in their personal journey of self-discovery and growth. They are focused on improving themselves, facing their insecurities, and overcoming the barriers that might prevent them from fully expressing themselves. They are committed to becoming the best version of themselves, not just for you, but as an act of self-respect and personal evolution. They realize that by improving themselves, they will be better prepared to contribute more significantly to your relationship. They want to ensure that, when they finally make this offer, everything is perfectly aligned, both emotionally and practically, so that you both can move forward together in a harmonious and confident manner. As he continues his inner journey, he is dedicating more and more effort to achieving a deeper sense of happiness, strengthening his inner core, and seeking a more complete personal fulfillment. This internal transformation is not a sudden event, but a gradual and extremely crucial process that is shaping him for a truly sincere and meaningful encounter with you. He is aware that this inner maturation is essential to ensure that when he finally feels ready, he can offer his best self in the relationship. He firmly believes that by reaching this new stage of personal satisfaction, he will be better equipped to face and overcome any challenge that may arise between you, strengthening the relationship in a lasting way. Although from the outside it may sometimes seem like he doesn't care or appears distant, the reality is completely different. His mind and heart are often with you, reflecting on what life would be like by your side. He thinks about you constantly, not just superficially, but in a way that is deeply integrated into his life and his vision of the future. He imagines how wonderful it would be to share every aspect of daily life with you and your family, thinking about how every little detail could be intertwined with yours. This vision of a shared life goes beyond simply living together. He visualizes a complete integration of your lives in a meaningful and harmonious way. He dreams of a future where your routines, challenges, joys, and sorrows are shared and faced together as a cohesive team. This idea, though full of hope and promise, also carries a weight of reality, knowing that such a commitment requires significant changes and continuous dedication from both sides. Of course, facing such changes can be a daunting prospect. The idea of completely altering his current life and the commitments it involves can generate fear and hesitation. However, he is determined to overcome these fears. He is committed to doing whatever it takes to make this vision a reality, facing any obstacle that may arise along the way with courage and determination. He understands that these challenges are just part of the process of building a solid and enriching relationship that both of you deserve. At this moment, he is deeply immersed in reflections about you, dedicating his thoughts to how he can overcome the fears and anxieties surrounding this relationship that he considers exceptionally special. The love he nurtures for you is authentic and intense, a feeling that emerges from the deepest part of his being. He is fully determined to face and overcome any emotional barrier that might interfere with the path he wishes to follow by your side. Every time you express your love and support, you send a powerful message to the universe, a signal that both of you are ready to face any challenges that may arise, reinforcing the mutual commitment to make this relationship not just survive, but truly thrive. It is essential that you are also equally prepared to handle any possible frustrations or uncertainties that may arise on this shared path. At every step, it is important that you affirm, both internally and to him, that your love is deep and unwavering, and that you are fully committed to overcoming any obstacle that may come your way. This determination from both of you to face adversities together is what strengthens the relationship, making it grow stronger and more cohesive. Moreover, the process of reconciliation involves much more than simply picking up where things left off or reviving a past relationship. It is an opportunity to address and resolve pending issues, clarify misunderstandings, and repair any damage that may have been caused. It is a joint effort to shape a future that both of you wish to share, based on understanding, respect, and genuine love. This commitment to rebuild, to work together to establish a solid foundation, is what will allow the relationship to flourish in new and beautiful ways. Therefore, as you walk this journey together, remember that every small gesture of love and every word of support are bricks that build the structure of a shared life. Face each challenge as an opportunity to strengthen your bond and each day as a chance to draw closer to each other. With this mindset and mutual dedication, you will not only overcome obstacles, but also create a resilient and loving relationship, ready to face whatever the future may bring. Remember, you are worthy and loved. If you agree, type I am worthy and destined for true and honest love, a love that transcends all barriers. Fully internalize this message and all the blessings it contains, repeating with conviction. Love is a beautiful, strong, and happy feeling, and I deserve to love and be loved in its entirety and fullness. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on upcoming inspiring messages. I hope to see you soon. Together, we will elevate our spirits and create waves of positive energy that will embrace the world. Stay tuned for the next important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe continue to illuminate your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.